Another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host Joe Saz, and today we are going live after a few days of break. Got pretty sick, so trying to just get better. I'm also using OBS on my other computer here, so bear with me for a sec while I get all this sorted. Hope everyone's having a great evening. It should be live right now, right? Oh, cool. Everything's working. Cool. I don't know if the sound is messed up or anything like that, so bear with me, guys. We'll get better at this. I'll get better at this. Let's just run through some price action. Get the party over with. Feeling like shit. Alright, so we have 5-minute chart Bitcoin USD T, right? Yeah. And let's talk a little bit about the past couple days. I'll zoom out. We'll catch up real quick. We've gotten some good signals, a couple trade signals. After the move, we didn't slam back down into that range. The 25s, the darker side of this range was held up. Strong bid support, even though we don't have signals. Can see that we definitely still have that strong bid support down here. Would be nice if a lot of these orders started to shift up, but we're probably another couple weeks away from that, judging by how long we spent down in this area. A couple weeks, because a lot of these buyers I think were really devastated. I think a lot of people were expecting lower lows. I think it was definitely talk of the town. So we got some signal trades going on. A pretty good consistency of long dominance starting to fade away as we were making higher local highs coming out of this mess. 27,400, something like that, 300, something like that. Fall off a cliff. No signals up top, signal on bottom, and we've just kind of been running. I think once we take off, it goes pretty crazy. So we still have a good bit of emotion in the area, in the mentality of all the traders. A lot of action going on there. So still a time to be mindful and be prepared, because anything can happen. Right now we're dealing with perpetual markets, and they're just in absolute disarray. We're flipping bearish, mostly bullish at points. Looks like perps are in a complete state of disarray. So I kind of like that, in the sense that I don't know how this story is going to end right now. I think we probably might come back down and check that range, 26,000. But overall, I am bullish, especially now that we've gone sideways for a number of days. And looking at the Bitstamp daily, yeah, look at this. We bought our way out of the bottom, and instead of having a nasty rip to the upside, we're actually building our way up slowly, and I think that is always the better way to build a convincing price argument that this was an oversold territory. I would say it's when you move in price, it's like a ladder. It's like a ladder. If you move up too far too fast, there are no rungs on the ladder. Oh, you'll be putting a rung here, and you'll skip a rung on the ladder there. You'll skip two, you'll put one down. You can climb that. It's fine. And then the second you come crashing down, it's hard and fast, right? And that's the concept of order book liquidity. Just think of it as rungs on the ladder, and how many, is there one in each step, or are you skipping steps? And that's kind of how you get these rips. Now, building up that liquidity slowly and steadily creates a much more convincing argument for some nice long-term growth, as far as price stability is concerned. This being a convincing bottom, and this being our, convincing range top. Moving along to, I think I messed up here. This was probably used to be my CME chart. I'll have to figure that one out another time, guys. It's the middle of the week, though, so let's not worry too much about CME charts. So, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. you know, same as the daily. I like what I see here. It's looking decent. Yeah, I think it's looking good. I like our steady grind out of there. Silver is fiddling around. I'm going to leave it on here. I'm going to see if there's any comments or questions because I've been gone for a minute. Foil fuckers, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Oh, nice. Good to be hyped. Yeah, guys, what's up, man? I've been out the system for a minute here because I honestly was kind of sick and it was beating me up. So here I am, not getting beaten up by the sickness anymore, and trying to figure out this OBS Studio thing a little better. Who knows, man? This is I have a lot of stuff to learn about all this. I just downloaded it real quick on this computer. So we'll figure out all this stuff. I'm gonna get better at it. I was real sick, guys. It was hard to want to do anything though. You know what? Maybe this looks good over here. A little better right there. Chop off the bottom end of the price down there. Put it in the middle. Alright, guys. Well, I'm feeling like shit. I gotta eat some shit. And sleep and stuff. Much love to you all. I hope everyone's having a fantastic life and enjoying the dark times as much as you enjoy the light times. Make sure that you realize more than you can do more growth than ever in a dark time. Make sure that you put that time to work. Close your eyes, pray to God that, you know, your Father in heaven helps you become a stronger individual through this very difficult time that you're facing, and to come out with strength. And every time, if you guys hit the ground like that and you come back and, you know, with strength and faith in yourself and in your higher power of God, then you're going to be unstoppable. So you guys always do the best things that you possibly can.